Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Who doesn't love a good backyard game? Well, this Roundnet game from Funesla is a real crowd pleaser and it is so much fun to play. So the great thing about this game is it's really portable. It's really lightweight yet still durable, and it's super simple to put together and it only takes a couple minutes. So it's not going to take up a lot of your time when you're putting it together. If you take it out to a barbecue or to the beach or just out in the backyard, you could even play this indoors on a rainy day if you're looking for something to do. As far as gameplay goes, it's easy to learn the rules and it's really fun. So it's a 4-person game, 2 teams of 2. The game is similar to volleyball, but instead of spiking the ball to the ground, you and your team are trying to spike the ball right into the net. Once the ball is served to you, you've got 3 chances to do that before the point goes to the other team. It's simple to learn how to play and it's great for kids and adults as well. We have just had so much fun laughing with our friends, playing this game. It's simple, it's relaxing, and it's a great way to be outside. So the kit comes with everything you need, including the ball pump, 2 extra balls, and a carrying bag. So they really have you totally set up for success and you're ready to have some fun. So if you're looking for a really fun, easy to learn game to play with your friends and family and really enjoy being together, I would definitely check out this amazing Roundnet game from Funesla. Super, super fun. You're gonna love it. That's my point of view.